Based on existing technology and theories, what will humanity look like in a billion years? Let's dive in. 5 years from now, manned construction will be built to land on Mars. The Mars colonization plan officially begins. 20 years from now, legislation bans humans from driving cars. Mankind has fully entered the era of driverless driving. As people gradually become accustomed to autonomous driving, traffic accidents are reduced. 50 years from now, the use of vacuum pipes, the hyperloop is fully completed, with the highest speed. The speed can reach 20,000 kilometers per hour. Humanity has built a huge large high-speed transportation network. 100 years from now, the space elevator has been built, and large-scale model expansion of the space station. Humanity has commercial flights and enters the space age for civilians. 200 years from now, quantum computers will be very popular. 40 years after humans created independent virtual worlds, nanorobots are born, and various diseases are conquered by humans. Average life expectancy reaches 100 years. The population exceeds 12 billion. As the population surges, a food crisis gradually becomes a serious problem for mankind, though through gene editing combined with synthetic biology technology, successfully cultivated artificial food adapted to various environments, which secures the global population with 90 years of food supply, it was scarcity of resources that caused the crisis. A localized region war even broke out, and a small-scale nuclear war, which caused great changes to take place in human language development in the population, resulting in a decline in human language development and diversity. Existing languages have disappeared by 90%. We now enter the era of language unification. The emergence of anti-gravity aircraft, humans can fly in the atmosphere, fly freely within the upper layer, and establish air traffic network management. A solution to low biological birth rates causes artificial uterus technology to solve the problem of low birth rate in the next few years. Over the centuries, human beings have gradually freed themselves from the limitations of natural reproduction. Population equality is achieved through advanced reproductive technologies. After 1,500 years of healthy growth of energy creation, nuclear power can be controlled. The birth of fusion devices solve the energy problem. In the coming centuries, clean energy technologies will gradually, instead of traditional energy sources, begin to develop rapidly. AI begins to have full autonomy and develops a full consciousness. Artificial intelligence breaks through bottlenecks, significantly improving the manufacturing and service industries. Humans and artificial intelligence cooperate to jointly promote the rapid development of science and technology and create a smarter and more efficient society. 2,500 years later, a space city is built. This is a new starting point for human civilization and becoming the crucial base for exploration and development in space. Humans have officially built a moon base and begin to expand into the solar system. In the next few thousand years, humans will gradually explore planets in the solar system and are entering the scope of a first-level civilization. The terraforming of Mars has been initially completed, and Mars has become mankind's second home. 5,000 years later, the existence of extraterrestrial civilization has been discovered for the first time, proving that humans are not the only ones in the universe. The Earth federal government has been officially established to prevent alien civilizations from invading Earth. 10,000 years later, Genetic Modification Project 2.0 starts, a new human being is born, greatly improving human body function. 50,000 years later, electronic biochemicals have appeared, and humans electronically transform the body to extend the lifespan to around 500 years old. Human beings have entered the age of longevity. 100,000 years later, the construction of the Dyson sphere has completed, and humanity has obtained a steady stream of energy. Technology continues to develop rapidly. Dyson balls become an energy hub for mankind and support meeting the energy needs of interstellar society. Humanity has entered the second-level civilization. 200,000 years later, the MAT spaceship was successfully developed, humanity's ability to realize galaxy exploration. Starfleet embarks on an interstellar journey to discover and explore more distant galaxies and expand human living space. 500,000 years later, the time machine is born. History can be reviewed through holographic projection technology at any time in history. Human beings pass through the time machine device to gain a deeper understanding of its own history. 1 million years later, Mars will be terraformed. Humans officially have moved to Mars, and at the same time, multiple colonies were established throughout the solar system, constantly expanding their territory. 10 million years later, the Digital Life Project begins. Human beings store consciousness into computers, detached from the biological body through digital life engineering. The bondage of our bodies has ended and we have achieved true immortality. 100 million years from now, artificial intelligence will be out of control. Mankind is facing catastrophe. In the next thousands of years, through hard work, mankind will successfully deal with artificial intelligence. An out-of-control crisis has found a new balance point. 500 million years later, a supernova explodes, a gamma ray burst hits Earth. Human interstellar society gradually shifted its focus and began to seek and find a new star system to ensure humanity's survival. 700 million years later, the speed drive engine has been developed, now successfully achieving faster-than-light flight. Humanity has officially entered the third level of civilization and started to explore the galaxy and find a new home. The future era of human interstellar civilization continuously keeps expanding into the universe, establishing more colonies and alliances. 1 billion years later, the sun will gradually become a red giant and begin to expand. Earth's oceans have evaporated and all lives wiped out on Earth. This marks the end of human society on Earth. The end, but also the beginning of a new journey in this long journey. In the billion-year journey, mankind has evolved from the first inhabitants of the Earth to gradually moving towards interstellar civilization has created a world full of science and technology. The history of technological wonders and human wisdom. Although the Earth is no longer the home of mankind but in the vast interstellar universe, the spirit and civilization of mankind will be passed down and continue to develop, starting a new journey of interstellar exploration. If you like this thought-provoking episode, give examples of what you would like to see in future societies in the comments. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this content and smash subscribe to support us to keep creating you daily Eurekasciencesauce videos. Thanks for watching.